Fix apps not showing up in Google Play Store. Now, some apps won't show up on your Google Play Store for regional restrictions. For example, here if I go and search for Cash App, you can see Cash App is not showing up on my Play Store on my Google account. But this app will show up if I have got another Google account from different regions. So I'll switch my account here and I'll search for the same app this time, and you can see this time this app will show up. So the first trick is that you just create a new Google account having a new region, and that will show up the apps that was restricted earlier. Otherwise, on this old Google account also, you can find that app by simply going to your browser and typing in Cash App Play Store. So typing in the name of the app and type in Play Store, which will give you the Play Store link. And when you do that, you can see now it will show up even on my normal Google account as well. And this way I can have the app installed in this case. So this way I can fix apps if not showing up in Play Store. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.